1. Women are attracted to men who can control their emotions and handle difficult situations with masculine calm and composure. It's important to remember that Stoicism teaches us to be self-aware and to think before we act. This means that you should be aware of your own emotions, but not let them control you. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of self-control and the ability to regulate one's own emotions. This involves being aware of one's own emotions, but not letting them dictate one's actions or responses to situations. Instead, Stoics aim to respond to situations with reason and virtue, rather than being swayed by emotional reactions. By practicing self-control and emotional regulation, a person can handle difficult situations with poise and composure, rather than becoming overwhelmed or upset. This can be particularly attractive to women, as it suggests that a man is capable of handling challenges and difficult emotions in a mature and thoughtful way. In addition to self-control and emotional regulation, Stoicism also emphasizes the importance of living a virtuous life and cultivating strong character. This includes virtues such as wisdom, justice, courage, and self-control. By practicing these virtues, a person can become a more virtuous and reliable individual, which women find irresistibly attractive. Overall, Stoicism teaches us to be self-aware, think before we act, and strive to live according to reason and virtue. By following these principles, we can become more self-controlled and emotionally stable individuals who are capable of handling difficult situations with masculine calmness and composure, and who attract women. Second, Stoicism teaches us to be confident and assertive. Women like men who can take charge and make decisions. This doesn't mean you should be aggressive, but rather be confident in yourself and your decisions. Stoicism teaches that we should strive to live according to reason and virtue, and this includes developing confidence and assertiveness. Confidence is an important trait because it allows us to trust in our abilities and decisions and take charge when necessary. Assertiveness, on the other hand, is the ability to express our own needs and desires in a direct and appropriate way. Women are attracted to men who demonstrate confidence and assertiveness because it suggests that they are capable of making decisions and taking charge when necessary. This can be particularly attractive in a romantic or partnership context, as it suggests that the person is reliable and able to navigate difficult situations with grace. It's important to note, however, that confidence and assertiveness should not be confused with aggression. Stoicism teaches that we should strive to be rational and virtuous in all of our actions, and this includes avoiding aggressive or confrontational behavior. Instead, we should aim to be confident and assertive in a way that is respectful and appropriate. Overall, Stoicism teaches us to be confident and assertive, but in a way that is aligned with reason and virtue. By developing these qualities, we can become more self-assured and capable men who attract women. 3. Don't seek approval. Women respect men who don't need the approval of others or rely on external validation, and it's an important part of Stoicism. According to Stoic philosophy, it's important to live your life in accordance with your own internal principles and values, instead of allowing yourself to be swayed by the opinions of others. It can be difficult to break the habit of seeking approval from others and relying on external validation to make decisions, but the benefits of learning to trust your own judgment and lead your own life far outweigh any drawbacks. Stoicism teaches that instead of striving for external validation, focus your attention on developing inner strength, integrity, and self-reliance. This will not only increase your self-esteem and sense of personal autonomy, but it will also make you more attractive in the eyes of women. Hey, if you're enjoying this video about Stoicism and attracting women, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of like-minded individuals. Your support helps us get closer to our goal of 1,000 subscribers so we can get monetized. Thank you. 4. Stoicism teaches us to practice humility. Women are attracted to men who have a strong sense of humility and don't need to constantly boost their own ego. Stoicism teaches that we should practice humility. Humility is the quality of being modest and respectful, and it involves recognizing our own limitations and the limitations of others. Women are attracted to men who demonstrate humility because it suggests that they are aware of their own limitations and are not constantly seeking to boost their own ego. A strong sense of humility can also be attractive because it suggests that the person is respectful and empathetic towards others, rather than being self-centered or egotistical. Overall, Stoicism teaches us to practice humility and strive to live according to reason and virtue. By developing these qualities, we can become more modest and respectful men who attract women. 5. Stoicism teaches us to be patient. Women are often attracted to men who are willing to take their time and not rush into things. Stoicism is all about accepting what you cannot control, such as life's inevitable obstacles, and being patient with the process. Women desire someone who will approach a situation in a calm, composed, and thoughtful manner. Patience, therefore, allows us to stop and think before taking any action, which can help us make decisions that are best for everyone involved. Furthermore, patience enables us to focus on the present moment, and not worry about future outcomes that are out of our control, which can help in reducing stress and cultivating contentment. Patience can also help us to better empathize with other people, seeing their perspectives and understanding why they think or act the way they do. When we show patience, women can feel secure in knowing that we are principled, aware, and committed to taking our time to make the best decisions possible. 6. Finally, Stoicism teaches us to embrace imperfection. By understanding that no one is perfect and that mistakes are inevitable, you'll have more success in interactions with women. Stoicism as a philosophy is not just about accepting life's hardships but also embracing imperfection. The Stoic belief is that in order to rise above the trials and tribulations of life, you must accept and understand that the path you take is not always perfect or easy. This applies to the interactions you have with women as well. You must be aware that no one is perfect, including yourself and the woman you're attempting to engage with. You both make mistakes, and it's important to learn from them instead of letting them derail your progress. Additionally, understanding that mistakes are inevitable allows you to approach conversations with a sense of openness and humility. Rather than being intimidated by the prospect of making a mistake, you can be open to learning from it and using it as an opportunity for growth. This openness can help create an atmosphere of understanding, respect, and trust between you and the woman you're with. Moreover, embracing imperfection allows you to be more present in the moment and appreciate the complexities that come with interacting with someone. Instead of focusing on trying to be perfect, you can focus on enjoying the moment and the company of the other person. This can help create a more meaningful interaction, and you'll have better success in creating a positive experience. All in all, by understanding and embracing imperfection, you can have a more successful and rewarding experience when interacting with women. Rather than expecting perfection, you can focus on learning and growing from your mistakes and creating a positive atmosphere. By following these principles of Stoicism, you can become an attractive and confident man who is able to attract women with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and advice.